Alright, here we go. We are at the Fort Worth Stockyards. I don't know if you can see anything yet because there's crazy people in the way. But, great. Here comes some Longhorn cattle down the street. Yeah, excuse the rude people. There we go. Yeah, I'm just gonna kick this guy in the nuts. Look at that. Woohoo! There we go. That's our buddy we took all the pictures of. Leading the way. Woo! Look at that. Here's my other buddy. Check this out. Is that awesome? Awesome! Yeah, if I really wanted to, I could probably pet one right now. Look at that one's horns. Yeah! Look at these guys. Big old boy. These are Texas Longhorns. Look at this guy. Looks like the UT mascot. Woohoo! There we go. That's the guy driving him from the back. And there we go. Down the main drag. Texas Longhorns. Woohoo!